Good morning, traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see on my screen, I have a US oil. So I will be doing analysis on this US oil and also GER30. All right. Last week I did analysis on the USD card and the GBP AUD. You can check the video out. All right. So before I start my top-down analysis, I normally start from the monthly time frame. As you can see, I'm on the monthly time frame already, so you understand what is going on here, right? So the reason why monthly time frame is just for me to get the bigger picture of what is happening. And after the monthly time frame, I will scale down to the weekly time frame to see what is going on, if the trend is aligned with the monthly time frame or not. So as you can see, price has been bearish for a very long time, starting from 2022. All right, June 6 2022, price has been bearish till December 15 2025, then before price started pushing to the upside. So currently now we are pushing back down again. All right, so if you have to draw a trade line, it's just this one is just like a counter trend line that has been taken out. Counter trend that has been taken out, price came back to retest, then it wants to start heading up again. But that's not the case. What we are going to be doing, we'll scale down to the lower time frame just to get the brief picture of where price is going. Okay, then to align with the monthly or the weekly or the daily time frame. So I take my entry on the 4-hour time frame or the 2-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, but most of the time I normally use the 4-hour time frame. All right, so now you have seen the weekly time frame. I have marked out my zone, my support, my resistance, and all. So this trade line will take it out, so I don't use that for now. So let's scale down to the daily time frame to see what is going on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I have this is what I have on the daily time frame. So price was at this level, then broke out, then it later came back for a retest. All right, so for now we have a break and price give us a support level, then push to the upside, and from there push down again, take out this previous low that was formed. Then currently we are retesting these highs. So now on the weekly time frame, I want to show you something you have to pay attention to. So on the weekly time frame, this is what we have. We have a double top on the weekly time frame. Are you getting me? We have a double top on the weekly time frame. So price rejected from the second double top, then pushed down, broke this level, which is the previous low on the daily time frame. Then price is back to this level to retest, then before heading down. All right, so now I will move back to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame now, so currently price came to retest this level. So now we understand what is going on already. So I will move down to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, just to show you what is going on. So if you want to see if price is heading down or heading up, so let me just draw a trend line. So you see this trend line, we have first touch, second touch, third touch supposed to happen here, align with this support level, then before bouncing from this trend line before buy. But unfortunately price broke below and now it's retesting to continue down. So this is my analysis. This is what I will be expecting on the US oil. So now let's get down to 4-hour time frame to see what is going on. So on my 4-hour time frame, this is what I'll be expecting. Let me take this one out. This is what I'll be expecting. If you take a close look, you'll see that we also have a break of trend line here. If you don't want to use that and you say you want to use this, it will just be like a third touch on the trend line, a bounce. All right, but what I will be expecting here, I'll pay close attention here. This is what I'll be expecting. Let price to break above this level, price to break above. Then once price break above, this will happen, a retest, then to this level. Then I'll pay close attention to this level for the second touch, then before selling. All right, so if that doesn't happen, so I will be expecting price to do what? To give me the double top here. So if I want to make it solid to be a plus, that's a plus setup, so I have to use my fib, draw what fib level. There you see it's aligned with my what 50% retracement. So once the market opens, this is what I will be doing. I'll pay close attention on this level. I'll have to mark it down. Then I am waiting for a confirmation from this level. Okay, once a confirmation is out, I will be selling US oil. I'll be selling US oil. So what I'll be doing, let me just say my stop loss above here. The first level target should be here. The second level target should be on this level. On this level. Remember, as a swing trader, so we have what 1:6.5%. All right. So this is what I will be doing. But first level should be here. I normally chase 3% most of the time. So 3%. So after the 3%, then I can move my stop to break even. Then let the rest run. Okay. So this is what I will be doing for US what oil at the moment. All right. So the next on my list is GER30. So let's see what is going on GER30. On GER30, I have my level marked out already. So currently prices, that was July 6th. So price was at 25,969. All right. So price is back at that level. Remember, when price got at 25,969, it rejected and what price dropped from this level, dropped to this level. So now price is back at this level. So the only thing I will be expecting on GER30 is to see something like this, a breakout, a retest, then we can hop in and ride to the upside. But if that doesn't happen, let's scale down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is what I'm expecting from GER30. Okay, on GER30, I'll be expecting price to push up a bit, then drop to this level, then before what buy. So we are going to be looking for an opportunity to jump in the trade from this level. Okay, so we'll look for an opportunity to jump into the trade from this level. That is when I will be buying from here. So if you want to sell, you can, if once price push back to this region again, give you a confirmation, you can sell to this level, take your profit from this level, then you exit and wait for a buying opportunity. But if that doesn't happen, that means once this level is taken out, then we'll have a push back, a retest, then we sell to this level. So once price break this level and retest, then I will hop in, I will sell to this level. All right, this is what I will be expecting from what GER30. Okay, so from here, from here back to the trend, or from here breakout, retest, then a drop. This is what I'll be expecting on GER30. All right, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, smash the notification bell. Whenever I drop a video, you can be the first to watch. All right, so drop a comment and tell me the next pair you want me to analyze, and let's do it together. All right, peace. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.